protecting North Texas. This is a New Country 96.3 severe weather alert.
Election I would be surprised if the primary tactic here is delay. I think that's something.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for east central Tarrant County and for Dallas County until 2:45. A severe thunderstorm is located near the Grand Prairie-Irving border, moving east at 20 miles per hour. The storm may contain quarter-sized hail. Again, Dallas, Arlington, Hurst, Euless, Bedford, Highland Park, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, Dallas, Love Field, DFW Airport, all within the purview of this particular severe thunderstorm that is on the Tarrant-Dallas County line, moving east from Irving and Grand Prairie with quarter-sized hail, moving east at 20 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
I did disagree with the jurisdictional question, but